Have you ever wondered why millions of hardworking Americans still struggle financially, even with decent jobs? The truth is, income isn't always the problem. Small money mistakes repeated every day can quietly destroy your financial future. In this video, you'll discover the 10 biggest money mistakes keeping Americans broke in 2026, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Stay until the end because the final mistake is one that most people don't even realize they're making. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means. Many people earn more money every year, but instead of saving or investing, they increase their spending. Bigger houses, newer cars, expensive subscriptions, and unnecessary shopping slowly eat away at their financial future. Mistake number 2, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, or unexpected repairs can happen at any time. Without emergency savings, people often rely on high-interest credit cards, creating a cycle of debt that's difficult to escape. Mistake number 3, ignoring investing. Many Americans believe investing is only for the wealthy. In reality, starting early with small amounts can make a huge difference over time because of compound growth. Mistake number 4, carrying high-interest credit card debt. Paying only the minimum balance every month allows interest to grow rapidly, making it much harder to build wealth. Mistake number 5, having only one source of income. Relying on a single paycheck increases financial risk. Building additional income streams through investing, freelancing, or online businesses can provide greater financial security. Mistake number 6, not following a monthly budget. A budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving every dollar a purpose so your money works for you instead of disappearing without explanation. Mistake number 7, trying to impress other people. Expensive clothes, luxury cars, and unnecessary purchases may look successful on the outside, but real wealth is built by making smart financial decisions, not by showing off. Mistake number 8, waiting for the perfect time to start. Whether it's saving, investing, or starting a business, waiting too long often becomes the biggest financial mistake of all. Mistake number 9, never learning about money. Financial education is one of the highest return investments you can ever make. Reading books, watching educational videos, and continuously improving your knowledge can completely change your financial future. Mistake number 10, giving up too early. Wealth isn't built overnight. It comes from small, consistent actions repeated over many years. Patience and discipline almost always outperform quick money schemes. Now imagine where you could be 1 year from today if you avoided these mistakes and made just one better financial decision every single day. Small changes lead to extraordinary results over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical finance content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.